Beautiful friends, welcome to Cassia Naturals. If you're new on my channel, you're so welcome, and thank you so much for clicking on this video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a Rooibos face mask for acne prone skin, blemishes, which will even out your tone. Yes, so like it will remove all blemishes. If you have acne, if you want to have flawless skin, this mask actually is going to work for you. So to my 102 subscribers, I really appreciate you guys for watching my videos and for subscribing. In as much as I love um, posting videos, sharing, I want this channel to grow so that we can reach a bigger audience. So if you're not on my channel, you can click on that subscribe button and subscribe now. So we are going to use some bentonite clay, some Rooibos, aloe vera, and cucumber extract, and some spoons for measurements. So Rooibos tea improves the appearance of skin, contains alpha hydroxy acid, which is one of the main ingredients in skin treatments, such as chemical peels that you get at your dermatologist. Alpha hydroxy acid in Rooibos tea can aid in your skincare routine and help to reduce wrinkles. Rooibos offers a soothing effect, thereby reducing irritated and redness, resulting in more even toned skin. Rooibos contains zinc, which has shown potential to help treat common conditions such as eczema and acne, and it also help because it has anti-aging properties and help to slow down the development of wrinkles. We are also going to use some bentonite clay, 15 grams of our bentonite clay. Bentonite clay is absorbent powder, may be found in treating acne, breakouts, and oily skin. The clay can help remove sebum or oil from the skin surface, and it also have a calming effect on inflamed skin. So now at this point, our Rooibos tea has infused well, so we are adding it to our bentonite clay. So using a clay mask can help remove impurities from the skin to treat acne or reduce the risk of pimples and skin infection. We had added, cucumber extract, hydrates, soothes the skin. Its refreshing properties can reduce puffiness and relieve the itching, as well as help easy redness. For instance, sunburn. Cucumber is suitable for all skin types. Cucumber is composed of proteins, flavonoids, antioxidants, lipids, vitamins C, and minerals. Cucumber extract contains phytochemicals that can be considered anti-inflammatory and reduces dark circles. Aloe vera, which we added, it reduces redness. It has helps in healing the skin quickly. It has antioxidant effects that can help repair skin damage and slow down the aging process of the skin. It protects the skin from damaging effects of radiation therapy. It contains 98% of water, which helps moisturize, soothe, and hydrate the skin. It helps the skin to look more supple and flexible, and it has a cooling effects on rashes and sunburn. So at this point, we are applying our bentonite clay. Of course, I started off on clean face. It's actually in the morning. I just splashed my face with some cool water and then apply my Rooibos bentonite clay. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel, you can click on that subscribe button and subscribe today. So this mask, of course, you know what, friends, I don't have acne or dark spots here, but this mask actually will help your skin, to reduce puffiness and prevent from early aging or wrinkles. Yes. So of course, like you don't have to overdo this mask. The best actually, the frequency should be at least once per week. Yes. So it's not always that I use this mask. At least once in a while, to plump my skin and to revive my skin. I do this like in a month, mostly 3 times. Yes. So you can actually comment in the section below if you have ever done Rooibos face mask, or what do you add in your face mask, or what type of face mask do you use. So at this point, like I'm going to wait for at least 15 to 20 minutes to let the mask dry. So it's been 20 minutes and our mask is dry. Like there was that pulling sensation, and of course, like it was so pliable, it was so soft. So we are going to rinse. So we are back. We have just rinsed our face. So look at how our face look. It's glowing, it's plumped, there's elasticity. Yes, so now at this point, I'm going to moisturize my face with aloe vera gel. As you may be aware, aloe vera gel is very good because it helps repair skin damage and slow down the aging process of the skin. And it also protects the skin from damaging effects of radiation therapy. So, but of course, I love vitamin C serums, with niacinamide and quite a number of other products which I use. And of course, a sunscreen is something that I don't forget because it really helps, to reduce wrinkles, to prevent UV radiation, which aggravate wrinkles. So dear friends, I really appreciate you guys for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel for more. Yes, comment in the section below. Are you going to try out this Rooibos face mask? Like, I really loved how it worked for my face. Like, I'll be using it frequently. Yes, like it was so smoothly on our face, and it really worked well. Yes, so make sure that you comment in the section below. Like, I really love interacting. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video, and God bless you.